Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What is your name?
I'm
Okay, how are you today?
happy.
How old are you?
Sick.
Okay, 6 years old. All right. Look at this picture. They are at the beach. Wherein the boy is fishing. What is the boy doing?
Swim.
Good job. Now, can you run, my dear? Can you run? Yes or no?
No. Yes.
Yes, of course you can run. All right. How many fish are there?
2.
Okay, so are there 5 boys in the picture? Are there 5 boys? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. What is this?
Elephant.
So what word starts with letter F?
Food.
Good job. What can the kangaroo do?
Jump.
Jump. What are they?
Insect.
How many insects are there? You're very good. You're doing good now. How many how many insects?
3.
Good job. Do you have a sister? Yes or no?
No.
No. All right. Peter is at the shop. There are many fruits, my dear. Now, can you show me where is the banana? Good job. Now, my follow-up question for you is that how many apples do you see?
2.
Okay, very good. So now, at this point, kids, all right, let's proceed for this one, all right? So what is the boys doing? What's the boys doing?
Eat.
All right, so now, at this point, are there four cakes in the picture? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
No. All right. So how does the girl feel? Is she happy? Is she sad? Is she angry? She is?
Happy.
All right. How many? Okay. What food do you like, brother? What food do you like? I like? I like apple, banana, cake. What? I like?
I like apple.
You like apple. And how many oranges do you see in the picture? How many orange?
I see 1.
Okay, so that's all for tonight. Goodbye and thank you.